Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys a new flavor of TIROL choco. They're always coming out with new ones. You guys should Google the company and see. They have so many, I mean literally hundreds and hundreds of flavors that they've come out with over the years. But this is another collaboration kind of deal where you get two flavors in a bag. This is usually sold at grocery stores. It's not like the Daiso ones that I've shared with you guys. These are actually specifically for groceries and department stores and such. But the combination here is of cheese and almonds. I'm wondering, like, what's that going to be like? Is that really going to be cheesy? I don't know. We'll have to open it up and see. But the bag itself is like between 100 and 200 yen, so it's not that much. And I do believe you get, let's see here. How many do we get in here? Yeah, 7. So 3 of the one flavor and 4 of the other. Probably the one that's not as yummy will only get 3 of. No, it looks like we're okay. This is the other flavor here, and kind of with a nice snow theme. And then we have the cheese almond one here too. So I'm looking forward to seeing what these are both tasting like. So let's go ahead and start off with the there's the 2 different flavors in here. I'm going to go ahead and start off with the cheese almond one and see if it's really cheesy or not. Let's open it up here and see what it looks like. Whoa, that's yellow. That's really yellow. That's kind of weird. You can see the little bits of almond in there. Let's go ahead and see what it tastes like. Okay, that's definitely very, very, very cheesy. More cheesy than I was expecting it to taste. I didn't think it was going to be that cheesy. There's not really any like sweetness to it at all. It's just like trying to be cheese kind of. And there's this weird like kind of puff in it that's crackly puff kind of snack in it too. I don't know why, like to make you feel like there's more almond. I mean, there are pieces of almond in there too. I don't know what that's about. Yeah, very weird. I wouldn't say that this is that yummy. I'm not a fan. We'll put it down. Let's try this other one. This one looks good. So let me go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like here. It's supposed to be something. Oh, that looks like a lot better color right there. More like white chocolate. That's good. That's encouraging. Not the weird yellowy color that the other one was. So that's good. We'll have to see what this one tastes like here. Hold on. Okay, yeah, no. See, now that's a lot better. That's actually really good. That has a kind of flavor very similar to white chocolate with little almond bits in it. And I can't explain it, but it's almost like they've done this before with some of their stuff, like in the summer too. There's like a little powder or something in it almost that makes it kind of feel like it's cold. I don't know if that makes sense. But yeah. At least that's how it tasted to me. So, but really yummy, really good, definitely. So you can get this whole bag and, share it with your friends and give them all the cheese ones, and then you can eat the yummy ones. That's always a good way to enjoy these kinds of things. So I wanted to get a chance to share it with you guys, though, because it was definitely unique and new. So I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.